Hey guys, I have a fun holiday themed pattern for you today that will show you how to make an Easter bunny using double half-hitch knots. I'm using 5mm string in the color Dusty Pink, which is available in my Etsy shop if you are interested. See the link in the description for details. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 10 pieces of string, each piece is 2 meters long. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Use the rightmost cord as your filler cord and tie 9 double half-hitch knots working down and to the left. Use the rightmost cord as your filler cord and tie 8 double half-hitch knots working down and to the left to make the bottom of the ear section. Leave about an inch of space in between the 2 rows of double half-hitch knots. We are going to make the ear on the left floppy, so start your first row of double half-hitch knots about 3 inches down from the bottom of the dowel. Use the leftmost cord as your filler cord and tie 9 double half-hitch knots working in a curve. Use the leftmost cord as your filler cord and tie 8 double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. Use the inside left cord as your filler cord and the inside right cord as your working cord and tie a double half hitch knot. Tie one more double half hitch knot on the left and right to complete the bottom section of the ears. We will now create the head. Using the same filler cord on the left, tie 3 double half hitch knots working down into the left, and then 3 double half hitch knots working back across your work down into the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. We will now create the body. Using the same filler cord, tie 5 double half hitch knots working down into the left, and then 4 double half hitch knots working back across your work down into the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. Using the inside left cord as your filler cord and the inside right cord as your working cord, tie a double half hitch knot just below the middle of the body section. To complete the body section, tie one more double half hitch knot on the right, one more double half hitch knot on the left, and then using the 2 filler cords, tie one more double half hitch knot to connect the 2 sides. Fold one piece of string in half and attach it to the cord on the inside right above the double half hitch knot using a lark's head / cow hitch knot. To do that, bring the loop behind the cord and then pull the ends of the string through the loop. Use the same method to attach another piece to the inside left cord. Attach one more piece using the same method, but attach it to both center cords. Brush out and trim the string to create a fluffy tail. Cut your string so that it is a bit shorter around the sides and a bit longer in the middle to create a round, fluffy tail. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.